Whew. Now see all the way down there? Look, see that big duct? Look, that's that air return. I know that's the air return towards the kitchen, and our light is over that way a little bit. So I can keep pulling the light right down through this area here. Whew. And actually what I might do is kind of slide over that way, because see how these V down in both directions? I can step in between those, down in between, because on these angles, if I want, see, I'm still walking on the bottom of the joist. You see right there, I could walk on the V on down if I needed to. So see, there's a V there, so I could keep walking on down that way. I only have so much cord. I think I have enough. I've got another extension cord, but I don't really think I'm going to need it. Even if my light doesn't go all the way, then I can just leave it on. I think we'll have enough, or I'll have to go back and get my flashlight or something. Okay. Beautiful. Remember I said where the V's are, you could probably step there. We'll see where these V's are. There's a pipe right there. And it felt like an ABS type pipe. I could probably step on that, but I've only done it in a couple spots through there. And so I'm taking the outside route and feeling my way through there. Once I get all done with this, I'm going to have to push the insulation back, because that insulation's there for a reason. You remember? Don't just leave it, you know, where your feet are like this. I'm going to have to rearrange that kind of stuff. And especially where I dug in over here. Yeah, you could say, oh, nobody's ever going to see it. Well, in the winter, the cold air is going to escape. In the summer, the hot air is going to escape and go down, and the cold air down in the house is going to escape up through the ceiling if you don't have that insulation in there. So if you've got the blow-in insulation, make sure that you rearrange it. In some places I've noticed there was some bad insulation, insulation through in here. In other places there was blow-in. I'm not quite sure why they did that. And see, over here there was nothing, because this is outside the front door. The front door is right there, and that's outside. And that was a stuccoed ceiling, so they have stucco wire there. It's mesh. You can see the ribs going across there. And then they stuccoed that. They didn't really have to put insulation there, right? Because that's outside. That's the exterior, the exterior side of the house. From this line here is the interior, and the interior is over there. Okay, that's why that goes up at an angle. There's a valley in there on the roof, and it's insulation, blow-in insulation underneath on the other side. Okay, I'll get there in just a minute. Ooh, I got down all the way over there, and I know I'm in the right spot. I can't do anything up here. Just can't. It's impossible. I'm going to show you why. It'd be so easy for me to stop what I'm doing and just say, take it from me, just trust me, you can't do anything. But I want to go over there, and I want to talk you through this so that you can see why we can't do anything up on this particular ceiling. Maybe in other houses you can, but not this one. And we'll go over there, go over that in a minute once I get over there, okay? Slowly but surely, I'm almost there.